Meaning of disbandment.
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 Disbandment. Disbandment refers to the act of breaking up or dissolving a group or organization. The result of disbandment is the complete termination of the group's activities and existence, as all members are released from their obligations and responsibilities within the group. It may be voluntary or imposed, and can happen for various reasons such as financial difficulties, internal conflicts, or achieving the intended goals. Disbandment can have significant impacts on the individuals involved, as well as any stakeholders or communities affected by the group's activities.